Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
What is your dream country? My dream country is Canada. It is beautiful and has many opportunities. Why do you want to visit your dream country? I want to visit Canada to see its natural beauty. I also want to experience its culture. What do you like about this country? I like the clean environment and friendly people. The cities are modern and safe. Do you want to live in your dream country? Yes, I would love to live there. It has good education and work opportunities. What food do people eat in your dream country? People eat different kinds of food, like poutine, maple syrup dishes, and seafood. I want to try them all. Do you know the language spoken there? Yes, English and French are spoken in Canada. I can speak English, so I can communicate easily. What places do you want to visit in your dream country? I want to visit Niagara Falls, Toronto, and Vancouver. These places are very famous and beautiful. How will you travel there? I will travel by airplane. It is the fastest way to reach my dream country. Would you like to meet local people there? Yes, I want to meet local people. They can teach me about the culture and lifestyle. When do you plan to visit your dream country? I hope to visit it in the next few years. I am saving money and planning my trip.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.